no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay Amour here, and I am back with a new video. So today's video, I will be showing you guys this new wig that I got from, I believe it's Izzy Wigs. They went ahead and sent me one of their straight frontal wigs. So what I'll be doing today in this video is showing you guys how I install it using no glue and pretty much no hair out. This is like one of my signature installs. You guys know with my previous wig reviews, I always do a glueless wig install, so of course I have to do it for this video as well. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and if you guys are interested to see exactly how this wig looks, me with the unboxing and the install, then definitely keep watching this video.
You do what you have to, I know that it's hard on the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down in your bed at night. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no.
As you guys saw, I just showed you how the wig unit came packaged to me. I was trying to show you guys the inside. It does come with 3 combs inside the wig, and then it also comes with adjustable straps in the back. I'm still not for sure whether or not I'm going to install an elastic band, but we'll see that throughout the video whether or not I decide to do so. The hairline looks really natural. I love the fact that they didn't overdo the hairline by installing a lot of hair around the hairline. As you can see, you can pull it back and it pretty much looks like a realistic hairline. I would still probably go in and pluck a little bit more. As far as the knots go, the knots are fairly invisible. You can kind of still see the knots in certain areas. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it in the video how I'm showing you right now. The texture of the hair is like a realistic blowout texture, which is really good. Like, I'm loving the texture of this hair. So far, I'm only getting minimum shedding, like 2 to 3 strands for this unit. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and install the unit onto my head to kind of see whether or not I do need to install an elastic band, and then we're going to get into the rest of the install.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard on the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down in your bed at night. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so
far. I have not laid it down or anything like that. I did go in and pluck the hairline. I also went ahead and flat ironed the hair. As you guys saw earlier in the video, I did show you how the ends were looking, and I just felt like I needed to chop off some of the ends because the ends were just all different lengths and it just didn't look right. So as of right now, this is how the ends are looking. So it's a little bit more uniform. I still will go in and kind of bump or curl the ends to make it look like a more of a layered look. I did put in some layers. I used the razor that I showed you guys. So it's a little bit of layers that I have. As you can see, the bang has layers and then it kind of flows. So yeah, I am going to go in and do a little bit more with the part, and I would be using Got To Be, not a lot of the Got To Be gel to lay down the lace, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll come back and show you guys the final look, and then also let you guys know my initial review on this hair.
What you have to do, what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here, over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Ooh, baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time.
The final look of the wig unit that I got from izzywigz.com. So pretty much I kept the unit in its natural state. I kept it straight. I did try to add a little bit of curl to it. I did notice that you will probably have to use like a curling iron versus a flat iron to actually get a tighter curl to this unit. As you can see, I have a little bit of a bumped in, so the unit kind of looks like a blowout look, like if I was to actually get like my natural hair blown out and then styled and kept it in its natural state. This is pretty much how it will come out. Like I stated before, I did have to cut the ends. I just thought that the ends were way too thin, so I kind of cut it to where it looks a little bit thicker. I did go in and layer this unit, so I have somewhat of a slight layer with the bang and then somewhat of a slight layer over on the other side. So the unit is a little bit shorter, but that's okay. As far as with laying down the hairline, I really didn't have any issues laying down the hairline. They pretty much plucked the hairline really good, but I still went in and plucked it a little bit more, and then I used the Got To Be glue gel to lay down the hairline. Quick, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the deets on this unit. This unit is a lace front wig. It's a 16-inch natural black color. The density is 150%. So as you can see, the unit is not really full, so you could get away with wearing this unit and making it look like it's your natural hair. So I do wish that the unit was a little bit fuller, especially on the ends, but I would have to say this is a low maintenance wig unit. You really don't have to do too much. If you want to keep it in a straight texture, you definitely can, and then walk right out the door. This unit is a true Yaki texture. It feels like your natural hair. It definitely feels like your natural hair. There was no smell or odor. After I went in and did like some cutting and plucking, I do notice a little bit of shedding. I'm gonna see how it goes, because I know, of course, like when you pluck the unit and when you cut the unit, you do get a little bit more shedding. So over a week or so, I will see whether or not I still experience some shedding with this hair. There is no tangles. Even after I applied heat to this hair, I really did not get any type of tangles or matting. As far as the heat goes, I did use my flat iron as well as my curling one on a 410 to 415 setting. I wanted to see if the hair or the wig unit can withstand that type of heat, and it definitely did. As far as the sizing of this unit, it does feel a little bit smaller than what I'm used to. Usually, like, I'm a medium, maybe like a 21, 22, but this does feel relatively a little bit smaller. I did not install an elastic band, so the reason why is because this unit does lay super flat and it fits really snug without the elastic band. So other than that, I really don't have any issues so far. Like I said, this is the first day that I installed this unit, and this is exactly how it's looking right now. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all the details of this unit, where to get it, down below in the description section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry that it took so long for me to post another video on my channel. I'm trying to come back slowly. I've been going through a lot. I've been doing a lot. I'm very busy. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. And then if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and leave my Instagram here, because I'm mainly on Instagram more than I am on YouTube. So definitely catch up with me over on Instagram. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Oh, no, no, no.